Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to host your Angular and React web apps using AWS Amplify. So I'm in VS Code at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the terminal. We're going to actually open up two terminals. So just press the plus button. And one is going to be where we just quickly create a Hello World app in React, and the other one we're going to create a Hello World app in Angular. Then we're going to host them using AWS Amplify. So let's start with the React app. So first, make sure that you can actually create a web app by running npm install -g create React app. And then we're quickly going to jump to the other console, other terminal. We're going to run npm install -g at angular /CLI. Let's go back to the React. Now we can create the React app using npx and then create React app and then specifying the name of the app. So we're going to do Hello World React. So great, while that's busy being created, go back to the CLI for Angular, and then we can do ng new and then just the name of the Angular app. So you can do the same, Hello World Angular, run that command, and then it's asking us for which CSS we'd like to use. So I'm just going to say a CSS. I'm going to say yes over here, doesn't really matter. So while both of these are building, we're just quickly going to skip to where it's finished building. Okay, welcome back. Both of the projects has completed, and here we can just ls, and then we can cd into the React app, Hello World React, and then we can do npm start. We can do the same with the Angular one, so we can do, let's just ls again, cd Hello World Angular, and we can do ng serve. It's asking for, just say yes, and then just control click on this. So you can see here on localhost 3000 our React app is running, everything looks good. Here we go back to the Angular part, localhost 4200, our Angular app is also running. So now before the start of the video, I've created two repositories, two on GitHub, just very simple, and I've named them Angular Hello World and React Hello World. Once you create the repository, it will give you the screen, and we're going to use these commands to quickly add the apps that we just created to these repositories. So we're going to be using these three commands. So let's copy the first one, let's copy the second one, let's copy the third one, and let's exit from here. I believe the first one that I copied was the React app, so and it was the Angular one, so we can do, just copy that, enter this one, and enter this one. So basically we're adding this file, this project, to the this remote repository. Then we're creating a branch called main, and then we're pushing that branch to the origin. And then everything here we just push to origin. Then we do the same for the React app. So instead of Angular Hello World, the naming is just React. So you can just do React Hello World. Then we do git branch -m main again and push that to origin. Alright, so now the Angular app and one for the React app, we can go to AWS Management Console and just search here Amplify. Then you'll be directed to this page. So Amplify, the fastest, easiest way to develop mobile and web apps that scale. Just say get started and it'll take you down here, give you two options to get started. AWS Studio, Amplify Studio or Amplify Hosting, and say get started on the hosting part. Choose GitHub from your existing code. Wait for it to load, click React Hello World on your repositories, select the main branch, then you can say next. With the React part, we don't have to change anything here, so you just say next, and you can scroll down, say save and deploy. Now once this is provisioned and building, we can go back to all apps. We can say new app, host web app, GitHub. Again, choose the repository, Angular Hello World, choose the main branch again, say next. Now for the Angular part, we need to edit this, the build and test settings. So instead of dist hello world Angular, we just say / and we say browser. And now this is to exactly indicate where in the project our index.html file is that we're going to be hosting. We're going to say next. That's everything that we had to change, save and deploy, just like we did with the React app. Now, while the Angular app is provisioned and building, we can go to all apps again, go back to the React Hello World, which should almost be done by now. Okay, so the React Hello World is done deploying. Here you can see it's finished the provision, build, and deploy steps. Then you can click on this link, which will show your app has been deployed. Here you can see the URL. You can share this URL and open it from anywhere. Let's just close this for a second, show you something, show you the real power of AWS Amplify. We can go to VS Code again, open up the Hello World React app, open up src, open up the app.js. Now we're going to edit the Angular app, the React app. So we're going to edit this. Let's just say, hello, this is hosting, and it is fun. Put a bunch of symbols just to show you. Now let's just put these, let's just say git add app src / app.js. Giving you just a warning, git commit, just add a commit message, hosting changes. You can see it's updated it, and let's just say git push. So now it's pushed the changes to main console. And here you can see already it started provisioning and building again on its own. So that's the power of AWS Amplify. Every time you push changes to the branch that you selected, to this main branch, it'll rebuild the changes and redeploy it again. So that's really cool and really useful. So let's go back to the all apps, Hello World Angular. The Angular app has finished deploying. Let's go here, and you can see the Angular app has also finished deploying. Let's go back to all apps. Let's wait for the React app to finish deploying so that we can see the changes that we've made. All right, the React app has finished building. Let's just click on the link again. And you can see the changes have been redeployed. Hello, this is hosting and it is fun. So that's everything for the video. I've showed you a quick and easy way to host your Angular and React apps. And a very important part is the continuous deployment of it. Every time you make a change, it automatically redeploys. Thank you for listening, and like and subscribe.